Apple is offering to repair iPhone 7s that show no service even when service is available. And when I say repair, I mean replace, because Apple said the issue is caused by a component that has failed on the main logic board. And we know that Apple does not repair logic boards, at least not in their retail locations. So what does that mean? Do you get to swap out your affected device for a brand new one? No, sadly, that's not how things typically work with any company, despite what you might have heard or have been led to believe. More on that in just a minute. First of all, your phone must be on a list of affected devices. Check the model number on the back of your iPhone 7 and make sure that it is one of the following. If your phone is from China, you want an A1660 or A1780. From Hong Kong, Macau, or the US, it's an A1660. And if you're in Japan, only the A1779 is one of the affected models. Now, these units were manufactured between September 2016 and February 2018. Wait a minute, isn't that pretty much all iPhone 7s? Also, if your phone has other damage like a cracked screen, you will have to resolve that issue first. Here's the interesting part. Apple will be contacting customers via email who have paid for a repair related to this issue to arrange for reimbursement. One more thing, Apple says on its website that you should back up all of your data before bringing the device in for service. One more reason to assume that you won't be getting your phone repaired, but most likely have it swapped out for a refurbished unit. Apple stores will typically be capable of replacing batteries and screens, but that's about it. We'll be talking more about this and other tech-related news tomorrow. Join us at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the Go Cell Phone Repair Monday afternoon live stream. Okay, it's almost Super Bowl time. I gotta get going. I'll see you tomorrow. If you found the video helpful, like it, share it, check out my channel for more tutorials and product reviews, and most of all, remember to hit the subscribe button. Feel free to leave your feedback in the comments section, and thanks for watching.